Okay, we're going to now test how our soap does with lathering if we have soft water versus hard water. So we'll put a small amount of soap that we made in each test tube. And those are pretty much equal. And then here I have some soft water. And we'll try and fill it about halfway full. And here I have some hard water. Now the difference between soft water and hard water is typically what you might end up with if you have a well at home. And it's called hard when it has ions in it from the surrounding soil that the water comes through. And the usual culprit is carbonate. Carbonate dissolves easily in the water from the rocks surrounding it, the minerals, and then ends up in the water, and you can end up with scaling. But as you can see, it also means that you get very little suds. So if you have well water and you don't have a water softener, then you don't get that same kind of lathering that you get with city water, or if you have a water softener with your well water. You can see this has a lot of suds in it, and so it's easy to dissolve the soap, and it's easy to rinse the soap off like when you're taking a shower. Whereas if you have well water, it hardly dissolves the soap at all, and you end up feeling slimy when you take a shower. You need to use a lot more soap to wash your dishes, and you also end up with some solid deposits, like in your coffee maker, some scaling it's called, because of the carbonates. When you boil the water away, then all of the ionic compounds, so sodium carbonate, calcium carbonate, are left behind. But with the soft water, you can see it dissolves the soap easily. You don't have those ions in there to get in the way, and you don't get the scaling in your coffee pot. So that's why people who live out in the country and have well water, they will use a water softener because they don't want to have to use so much soap, and they don't like the scaling. All right.